Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Did you know you can add your EBT card to the Meijer app for easy shopping? Let me show you how to set it up in just a few simple steps. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the Meijer app from your app store. Open the app and log in or create an account if you haven't already. Now, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the app and select payment methods. This is where you can add new payment options. Now click add payment method and choose EBT from the list. Enter your EBT card number and other requested details. Double check for accuracy before saving. Now you are all set. Shop for eligible items and at checkout, choose your EBT card as the payment method. Remember, EBT funds only apply to approved items. And that's it. Adding your EBT card to the Meijer app is quick and easy. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.